Hello friends, so we are now on round 29 of star, hearts and pineapple, and as usual to begin the round we slip stitch on the next stitch and single crochet into the space and mark the single crochet. Then chain 5. It is important to note that we use chain 5 on this round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For this pineapple round we chain 5, then single crochet on the next chain 4 space, and we'll just call it loop for simplicity. So these are chain 4 loops from previous round, and now we are making chain 5 loops. So that was 1. We are going to do it 6 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet on the next loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet on the next loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet on the next loop. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet on the next loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet on the next loop, and there should be 5 loops total. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, skip next chain 3 and double crochet, 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, chain 2, and 2 double crochet on next shell. So we'll make 2 double crochet there, then chain 2, 1, 2, then 2 double crochet again, chain 2, 2 double crochet again, and it looks like that. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and we repeat what we did at the beginning, which is a single crochet on the next pineapple loop. So so this is the end of the repeating stitch. We mark the repeating stitch. So we repeat. So we single crochet on next chain 4 space. Then chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one right here. 6 times. That's second. Third. Fourth. fifth, sixth, then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and 2 double crochet on the same space, chain 2 and 2 double crochet on the same space, chain 2 and 2 double crochet on the same space, and then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and repeat. So so at the end of the round, after the last set of double crochet, 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, chain 2, we chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and slip stitch on the mark stitch. And that's the end of round 29. So the next one is round 30, and so we're progressing rapidly.